Loading custom courses for Link's golf simulation games and have a golf file. These contain complete course design data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Link's golf course files. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic GOLF file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. GOLF files are golf course data files used by Link's series golf simulation games by Access Software and Microsoft. They contain complete course information including terrain elevation, hole layouts, fairway and rough definitions, hazard placements, green contours, and course-specific metadata for realistic golf course simulation gameplay. Link's GOLF files use a proprietary binary format, storing terrain, height, maps, texture, references, course, geometry, hole, tee and pin positions, hazard boundaries, and weather settings. The format encodes complete 3D course representation, enabling accurate ball physics simulation and visual rendering during gameplay sessions. The specialized program designed to handle GOLF is Link's Golf Game by Microsoft. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows reveals only minimal metadata, while full interpretation requires engine-specific utilities. Open the context menu by right-clicking your GOLF file and choosing Open With. Try Link's Golf Game first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If your GOLF file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, loading in Link's Game. Place the golf file in the Link's Games Courses folder, typically located in the installation directory under Courses. Launch the Link's Game and select Course Selection from the main menu. The custom course appears in the course list ready for play with all hole data and visuals loaded automatically. Next, compatibility verification. Check that the golf file is compatible with your specific Link's version, since file formats evolved across Link's 386 Pro, Link's LS, Link's 2003, and Microsoft Link's series. Visit Link's community forums for compatibility information and version-specific course collections that work with your installed game. Finally, course editor modifications. Use Link's Course Editor or APCD Course Designer to view and modify golf course files. These editors provide visual tools for adjusting terrain repositioning holes, editing hazards, and updating course metadata. Save modifications back to golf format for use in the original Link's Game installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.